Hi guys, my name is Shayli and I'm a master trainer of different techniques in microblading and permanent makeup. I teach few different techniques in microblading such as BoldBrows, powder brows, and also in permanent makeup I teach Phi contour technique for eyeliner and lip shading. Also I teach microneedling with Phibrows technique. I'm going to show you how to use the divider BB compass for making symmetrical eyebrows. So first of all, as you know, we have to find 6 different points on each eyebrow, and then by connecting them together we can draw a perfect shape. So each shape is according to each individual is different. That's why we use the divider by golden ratio to find a perfect shape. So first, as you can see, there is 2 points on this side and 3 points on the other side. So first of all, you find the distance between 2 eyebrows and you draw a line. So this would be the middle part of 2 eyebrows. You can place these 2 right over the inner corner of the eyes, the red part of the eye, so here. So you can place these 2 points right in the corner, and then after you find, you can flip the divider to this side, place the middle part right over the line that you found, and then you're gonna have point number 1, which is right here on both eyebrows. Okay, so this is point number 1. So to find point number 3, you can use the divider. Again, place this circle right in the corner of the nose, and then this part has to pass the outer corner of the eye. So when you have this right in the corner of the nose, this part can pass the outer corner of the eye, and then what you have here, it's going to be point number 3. So this is our point number 3. To find point number 2, again, you open this part, place these 2 right over point 1 and 3. So that would be your distance or length of the eyebrow. So here 1, 3, and then you flip it, you're gonna have point number 1 here, and the distance between these 2, it's point number 2 right over here. To find point number 5, which is on the lower part of the eyebrow, you have to flip this without changing the distance. Place this point right on point 3, and then what you have here, it's going to be point number 5. And then to find point number 6, you can make this closer together. Between point 2 and 3, you're going to have point number 6, which is closer to point number 2 right over here. So this is our point number 6. Now we have to find point number 4. So we usually use our pinky finger placing under this part of the eyebrow, and you're gonna feel the bone part. So this would be our point 4, which is the length, the thickness of the eyebrow. Now for finding the other side of the eyebrow, you don't have to do the measurements again. You can just use the same distance, same measurements as this side. So first find a number 1 and 3 distance, the length, and then place it again on the other side. So before you start doing this, in order to have point number 4 and 1 in the same line, you can use the divider, place it right over point 4 in a straight line, and then you can mark this right over here. So that would be our point 4 on this side. And then you can do the same thing. Place this right over on point 1. Draw the straight line by pointing like that. So that would be your point 1, which you already had, but you want to make sure they're on the same line. So after you find the distance between 1 and 3 on this side of the eyebrow, and then place it right on point 1, which was here, and then you're gonna have point number 3 over here. To find point number 2, you can just flip the divider, place this right on point 1. You can use on the other side. Then you're gonna have point number 1 right here, and then the distance between these two is going to be your point number 2. And then point 5, which is placing this part, this point right on point 3, and then this would be your point number 5. Again, number 6 between 2 and 3. This would be your point number 6. And point 4, it's already found right over here. So now you can connect all these points together to have the shape. So you can use the divider to connect points 1 and 2 in a straight line. And then from point 2 to 3, make sure you draw the line in a curve kind of line. So from 2 to 3, it's curving out like that. And then from point 4 to 5, you can draw again in a curve down kind of line. So here I'm going to draw from 4 to 5. And then from 5 to 6, again, you can draw a curve up kind of line. So here is 5 to 6 and 6 to 3. You can do the same thing on the other side. Use the divider to draw the straight line. From 2 to 3, curve out. And then from point 4 to 5, five to 6. You can always watch the other eyebrow when you're drawing this. So now here is the shape that we draw. So now you can connect 1 to 4 like that. So this is the shape that actually we made for this face. So as you can see, this part, these eyebrows were not symmetrical. So by using the Phi divider, we can make eyebrows symmetrical. After that, you can use the Phi app to make sure all these points are in the same line, which I'm going to show you how to use the Phi app.